Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'll be showing you how to download a YouTube video in your computer. So to do that, you need to follow my steps. So let us begin. First of all, you need to open your browser. After opening your browser, you need to look for the video you want to download. I want to download this video. Then you copy the link. After copying the link, you type a website called saves from net. Then you open the first link. After opening the website, you paste the video link. After, it will say processing the link to download. Then you click on download. So now you can see it's downloading. So now you can see it has been downloaded. So this is how you can download a YouTube video in your computer. So thank you for watching guys. If you find this video useful, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.